news headlines. National seminar marks 150th birth anniversary of M.K. Gandhi. Bomb planted at residence of MPP president. And Kanglei Foods creates jobs, contributes to state economy. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving the news. Now the news in detail. In commemoration of the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, Ahimsa Biswabharati organized a national seminar on Mahatma Gandhi's inclusive approach to humanity at Raj Bhavan, Imphal today. Governor of Manipur, Dr. Najma Heptullah, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and founder of the Ahimsa Biswabharati Acharya looked at the seminar. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah stated that Mahatma Gandhi, known as the father of this nation, was an exceptional leader and human being. She further said that Mahatma influenced and inspired both individuals and world leaders in the fight against inequality and oppression, and has provided an invaluable contribution to peaceful freedom struggles across the world. His voice for humanity, equality, justice, and non-violence gained global recognition, Najma Heptullah added. While addressing the function, Chief Minister N. Biren said that there are so many strong weapons in today's world. A single press to a switch can destroy the world 4 or 5 times. However, Mahatma Gandhi's ideology for peace and ahimsa saves the world. His 2 weapons, Satya, truth, and ahimsa, non-violence, paved the way for India's independence from the mighty British, Biren added. As part of the seminar, Ahimsa Biswabharati magazine Ahwan was released. Unknown people placed a bomb at the TOMTV residence of MPP President O. Jugindro Singh under Wangoi Police Station around 10:55 am today. The incident comes a few days after the Central Committee of Manipur People's Party MPP removed O. Jugindro from the post of President and primary membership of the party. The Central Committee of the oldest regional party in Manipur had said Jugindro was stripped of his position for misusing party fund. The party is currently facing leadership crisis following removal of Jugindro from the post. Police retrieved the bomb and later defused in a nearby field around 11 am, a report said. Sources suspected that underground group Kanglei Park Communist Party KCP People's War Group was behind the incident. Kanglei Foods at Oinam Awanglekai under Bisnupur district has been providing jobs to many people, particularly women in the state, since it was established. It has won many accolades at both the state and national levels for its exceptional service. TOMTV has an exclusive report.
Kanglei Foods had recently bagged the Best Exhibitor Award in the 27th Sub-India Convention of Food Sciences and Technologies held at Tezpur University from January 30 to February 1st. Kanglei Foods, one of the most popular brands of food in Manipur, was established back in the year 2008, which was then known as Oinam Awanglekai Women Development Association in its years. The self-help group, with only around 20 women, started making edible items. With time, Kanglei food becomes popular among the public in the year 2016 under the sponsorship of Central Food Technology Research Institute, Mysore. The food industry started manufacturing a large variety of food products.
2008 resa tawre matungda fesai adegi medical gi pinesi kano loi lowe ba khut ki ke adugi kaino su khoi lojare aduga loi loraga khoi sum khaga sum tawrak pasina khoi masi de saringai kholingai sum ba tawringai maraksida khoi je noma horticulture department na khoi training amkhak sumaina yaw haina Sarlatana Koibo, Bangalore, training.
Talking to TOMTV, General Secretary of Kanglei Foods, Oinam Sanahal lauded everyone who have supported and appreciated the innovative ideas of the industry. He said that every task can be accomplished through hard working.
Hana siyaw dengay marakta kari gumbi mata wakal sida kari toroga paisa taan sige habado wakan sida yam ngawraga lairami ikang khangaw de layo phabodagi horticulture department na Bangalore da koi food processing farmer training ama thabi basida akoi one day gi field visit ama da Mysore da sarvia ama thengadana akoi nupi gi oiba chakum da phammaga tan be aba sigi food processing de koi thengna jaki yam harauna lakhi adu hek lakpaga koi asidum start hogre.
Kanglei Foods Vice President Oinam Julika expressed satisfaction over the industry's ability to provide jobs to women who once faced hard times earning daily bread and butter. She said the industry has now employed 23 women. Julika urged the people to work hard to make Manipur a self-sustained state.
Moina pirami pibi dana khoi je khulai pibi re ama ma khoi je sakhbi ra kudagi lupa 80 lakhs mo ke khoi machine je khoi da free da moina pibi re ado khoi ju hojik di sales mayama ma tawbang ame chahim da 10 lakhs 12 lakhs mo ke yole adu di matam matum ma khoi je phajana sale tawre hoju ji Manipur times khoi gi shopping Manipur gi mafam khuding makta loine yoli.
Oinam Sanahal further said that CFTRI has sponsored different kinds of machines to the industry, besides providing technical know-how. She, however, expressed unhappiness over lack of latest machineries. In this regard, she sought government's help.
Lungaini, the biggest seed sowing festival of Tangkhul community in Manipur, is being celebrated across the state with pomp and gaiety today. Extraction of holy fire, cultural song and dances and feasting are the main highlights of the celebration. While celebrating the festival at Tangkhul Naga Long Ground of Ukhrul district, people observe a 2-minute silence as a mark of solidarity with the victims of novel coronavirus. Former Deputy Speaker M.K. Presu Shimri today said that there will be no harmony in a society if a particular community suppresses other communities. He said this during the celebration of Lungaini festival at Tangkhul Baptist Church, Langol Housing Complex. Tangkhul Welfare Association, Langol in association with Tangkhul Sanau Longan Tangkhul Katamnau Long, Langol jointly organized the celebration on the theme Ngasan Mahisam Mahiman Khwai. M.K. Pestro further stated that young generations should maintain discipline and know the roots of their origin to preserve the culture and tradition of the society.
Festival mayam se aikoi Imphal da tari ba aikoi Tangkhul si maruina ijin naw mayam si kari gi dumakta ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯐꯪꯉꯒ ꯕꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯅꯅꯕ ꯇꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯎꯔꯣꯏꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯝꯕꯦꯁꯦꯗꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯣ ꯂꯥꯡꯒꯣꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯁ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ
ꯂꯥꯏꯇꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯏꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯄꯨ ꯏꯄꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯊꯝꯂꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯏꯔꯒ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜꯗ ꯂꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯃꯆꯥꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯂꯒ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯍꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯛ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯇꯥꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ
Manipur International University MIU has invited Mien Si Khang Tibetan Medical and Astro Institute to establish an international medical college and hospital of Tibetan medicines in Manipur. According to a press release from Manipur International University, a historical memorandum of understanding was signed between MIU and Mien Si Khang Sowaringpa, an institute specialized in offering Sowaringpa Tibetan medicine, which is recognized by Department of Ayush, Government of India on February 12th at Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh. With the signing of the MOU, the Manipur International University will start degree courses on Sowaringpa and associated subjects in Manipur. Laisram Anand, aged 22 years of Hairok Part 2 Mayalikai, who was involved in the attempted rape and assault of a 46-year-old woman on 3rd of February at Charang Part of Thawal district, has been remanded to judicial custody for 15 days by the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Thawal yesterday. Anand was arrested by police in the intervening night of February 9th and 10th last, and since then had been in the custody of Thawal Women Police. A large number of Joint Action Committee JAC members and women folk gathered outside the Thawal CJM court yesterday demanding death penalty for Anand. They also chanted slogans against the incident. A team of More Commando recovered 10,000 pieces of WI tablets from a passenger eco van at K. Jomunom near Khudeng Thabi along the Imphal-More highway during routine checking around 4 p.m. A police report said today. The van with registration number MN04P2129 was heading towards Imphal from More. However, one of the passengers, suspected to be a drug peddler, managed to escape. The seized contraband items were later handed over to More police station for investigation. A team comprising of Nambol MLA and Loken, Director Education STH Kiran Kumar, Jet EO Bisnupur and Tikendrizit, Laima Pokpam Jila Parisat member L. Jiten Meite, along with office bearers of School Management Committee today, inspected Laima Pokpam Public High School. The state government has selected the school under School Bhagat Hansi mission. The team inspected developmental activities being taken up by the School Management Committee in the school. Talking to media, T.H. Kiran Kumar said the School Bhagat Hansi mission will transform education system in Manipur.
School Bhagat mission gi makhada paikhatpa khoi gi school humpu amadi atopa wabagai gi jawi humpu mathoi haitara hai school kaisi akoi gi magi progress adagi di hanaki financial year manung jida kayam sangaba yaba thabak singji kayam soire soide adagi di kadai da huji akoi midterm course correction koi semdok pa yage angangi enrollment gi kari phiom laige oja nungsa akoi gi fazana karabra fazana functional oirabra habdu gi yengwa lakoni aduna school si huji pagi progress am fazana laing khali aduga mars pau manunga di sangaba ngamgodo male akoi building amadi infrastructure ja aduga satra budi hujik tammi mars loisala swai dadi magi leibam thokpa infrastructure fan karikra loina mag yawra ngai je adugi nungai baduri soidam gi phangani na tamai thamja.
A one-day workshop on the theme Building a Harmonious Society by Respecting Laws was organized by District Police Kakching today at Chingtam Community Hall, Sugnu. Superintendent of Police Kakching District Victoria Yengkom and Additional Superintendent of Police Law and Order Lukhumang Khongsai attended the workshop. Students from different schools of Sugnu, elected members, local club members participated in the workshop. Social scientist Dhanavilaisram spoke on public order and communal harmony laws and role of citizens and media, while Superintendent of Police of Traffic Control Police TCP K.S. Sharma spoke on traffic rules, the backbone of road safety as resource persons. Superintendent of Police Cybercrime and John talked on ethics on role of social media and prevention of cybercrime. Child marriage prohibition officer in charge Thobal district Reena Chanu Moirangthem spoke on child marriage and laws awareness and prevention, and additional superintendent of police IUCAW Manipur Ratna Ngasepam spoke on the rise in crime against women in the state.
Jungle Ras or Kidana same given police. Police can guide the body, laws the guide the body. Harmony, peace, no matter with the help of the laws. Adubu laws have a say, the outcome of the workshop should be that police laws is safeguard of the say, Mam the family was civilian, couldn't appear, Mam Han Hoigera, could the like safeguard of laws. Police Mam the family was civilian singing, so right at Obama or duty of money.
Mission Organic Manipur Agency MOMA, which aims at promoting organic fertilizers in the state, has opened a new organic outlet at Senapati Bazaar today. State Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister T.H. Syam Kumar, Divisional Forest Officer Senapati John Shah and MOMA Project Director K. Devadatta Sharma shared the dais at the occasion. Minister Syam Kumar said that under the State Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, MOMA has opened a number of organic outlets in different parts of the state in order to augment organic produce. He urged the people of the state to work towards increasing organic products and consume only organic foods.
Manipur Sarkarna amadi Horticulture Department district khudingmaki amadi athap thapa Manipurgi Jingi Kungangi Lamjingda Pangiba organic weba potok mayam singasi collection tawraga akoi yuwanabagi pandama thamakpa amadi prajan leina padam thamakpasina akoi manglom changselli habagi akoi tai miyoibana akoi gi tangai padana akoi tungti gi chai sinjak singasi akoi afaba value ba chemical jawdaba amadi tenhak hidak yawdaba pot nama sabagi da kalerakpa miyobi punsi sta singnarakpase singa thona gidamakta adagi sumba step basi lokhatpani
Masa Pava Kunayama same Navagi, Adumba, Vision Namagi Makada, Ecoina Hangdora Iva, Organiki, Sopse, Masina, Manga Suba Oina, Ecoina Nasigi, Sanapatiki, District Headquarter, TNK, Sida, Hangi Vesina, Manga Suba, Organic Outlet Ni.
Under the aegis of District Administration, Thobal and Ministry of Women and Child Development, the Rising Union Club and Popular Youth Club Khangabok jointly organized an awareness program on One-Stop Center Sakhi at the Khangabok Patri Makhalekai Community Hall today. The program was held to spread awareness among the women in the area on safeguarding themselves from heinous crimes. The new Incarnation Drug De-Addiction Cum Rehabilitation Center IRCA at Kalinagar in Jiribam's district was established under the registered voluntary agency Youth Development Organization YDO at Sagolban Tera Bazaar on March 1, 2002. The center, which is running under the sponsorship of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment MOSJA New Delhi, has been working towards the fight against drug menace. The center, which houses 50 inmates, has around 18 staff members, including a medical officer, senior counselor, yoga therapist counselor, social workers, nurses, ward boys, HIV field workers, etc. Project coordinator of IRCAS, Jiten Singh, told TOMTV that it is very unfortunate that the state has failed to formulate a drug policy till that. He said the neighboring state of Mizoram has a state drug policy.
Ngasigi kuigi kunai sida IAG project coordinator of NIC and Tamjing Wafundi Nisa Saba high issue asi demand khara piraga dialogue tawduna issue si shop tawi yaro do maram oibana high bala yung license asi digi tungi miron sing kalmin na ba haysi lemine ba khoi khudimaki thawdangi haysi thamjege
matam sigi matung ina hujik laiba inconvenience ti kaino haijening mada 30 minutes ina konarakta ba akoi situation khra phongnajai maramaduna asi kitang khak marile ne ba authority singa jinghin biragadi akoi nuaigani na khanjai.
United Meitei Pangal Organization UMPO today said that the Meitei Pangal community in Manipur has been contributing towards bringing harmony and maintaining peaceful coexistence among different ethnic groups of the state. Meitei Pangal organizations like Democratic Youths and Students Union Manipur, DYSU, and All Manipur Pangal Women Development Organization, etc. were set up to improve the socio-economic condition of the Meitei Pangal ethnic minority in the state. UMPO General Secretary Muhammad Manawar Ali told media at Manipur Press Club Imphal. He also appealed to all like-minded civil society groups and media houses in Manipur to work together and cooperate with the organization in its activities.
Manipur Meitei Pangal Singi Lup Amoina Iramdam Iribaki Topfum Tokpa Todang Ching Tawa Hozaragani Haina Lebak Miamda Poi Noluni Singjari Masida Lebak Miam Sing Wakalon Manaba Hanadaki Punminatuna Laglaba Poi CSO Sing Loinana Media House Punamak Hanagum Tabak Toram Tomina Kudinda Tominabaki Wakalon Tambiduna Ampobo Manipur Ampo Manipur da Cooperation PB Navakoi Peski Twonganis Mike Singer.
Musical band Sargam today organized the 4th Ningtham Isai at the complex of Indian Medical Association IMA at Lumfield Path, Imphal. The musical event was held under the banner of Mahousa Kanse. At the opening event, Mahut Commissioner M. Joy Singh said that the best gift that we could give to our younger and future generations is preserving the natural environment. He added that songs narrate day-to-day happenings of one's life.
Mioibanina, Sagi, Munum family, Sai Sumayambari, Amata Bosu, Anita Bosu, Masam Moiva, Mating Labor, Savas, the Karim, Tabaka, Tawangamba, Aduga, Madu Katopangamba, Dumba, when Madonna Sigi, Pambi Sing a Sailor, Hingalaga, Equina, environment, the Karimukara, Madugi, Equina, Padamadu Pano, one of the Katoksi, the Wadaminasi, Ibawaisi, Haramayam, Punopong, Kanakurumari.
Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Manipur Penchak Silat team today arrived in Imphal after winning 9 gold, 4 silver and 1 bronze medals in the 4th All India Penchak Silat Championship 2020 held at Maharashtra's Nasik from February 7 to 10. Penchak Silat Association Manipur and Awang Nongpok Lamjing Kanglop Sawombung warmly received the team at Imphal Airport upon their arrival. Notably, out of the 11 medalists, 7 have been shortlisted to represent India in the upcoming International Penchak Silat Championship to be held in Singapore.
Mari Rakshuba All India Federation Penchak Silat Championship da akoi Federation Cup da Manipur gi Sanaroi Tarama Thoi Nupi Macha Ani Yauna official ga Trahom Dena Saruk Ya Jarubani Haiba Championship Sida Federation Cup da Manipur gi Oina Koi Sanaroi Tarama Thoina Saruk Ya Basida gold medal Mapal silver medal Lama Fanglaki Aduga Jonel competition da Sanaroi Mangana Saruk Ya Matam the gold medal Mari Aduga silver medal Lama Fangduna Yamna Chauna Manipur gi Koi Penchak Silat Sanaroi Singna Mai Pak Tuna Koi Hanjari Loina Loina Koi medal Pangakraba gold Pangakraba Sanaroi Sing Singapore the Pangtokadoriba World Penchak Silat Junior Championship amadi khoi senior gi international competition kya da mokoi qualify oi duna khoi international championship kya da saruk yanam gi da mokoi khalakle.
PYA Kairang beat WYFC Wangjing by 3-1 in the first quarter-final league grouping match of the ongoing 13th Jury Cup Invitation Football Tournament 2020 today, while FC Lamjau defeated UBFC by 3-2 in the second match. The tournament is organized by All Jiribam Sports Association AJSA at Jiribam High Secondary School Playground. Amofa Moirang will clash with MPSC tomorrow. Manchester City have been banned from the Champions League in 2020, 2021 and 2021-2022 by the UEFA for serious breaches of financial regulations. As per media reports, the English Premier League champions have also been fined €30 million by UEFA over serious breaches of financial fair play (FFP) regulations. UEFA's club financial control body found Manchester City guilty of falsely inflating sponsorship revenues when submitting evidence for the FFP compliance process. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. National seminar marks 150th birth anniversary of M.K. Gandhi. Bomb planted at residence of MPP president. Tanglai Foods creates jobs, contributes to state economy. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.